The National Weather Service has detected a severe thunderstorm for the following counties in Connecticut: Hartford, Litchfield, and New Haven. A severe thunderstorm was mysteriously being formed, and we have no idea of what just happened, since the National Weather Service said that the weather will be partly cloudy this night. We aren't sure why a severe thunderstorm was formed unexpectedly, but many theorists say that there must be a type of supernatural stuff that is going around. It might be possible, but we aren't sure about it. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Hartford Police Department and the Connecticut State Police. Here's an update to the severe thunderstorm appearance for around few hours. It has been discovered that the individual that is going around New England, which it is confirmed to be the witch. The witch has somehow created a magic spell that generates a thunderstorm across western and northwestern Connecticut. It has discovered by one of the Connecticut State Police Sheriff. We are not sure if this witch is hostile or not. All residents are still urged to remain away from the witch, as it has the high potential to be dangerous. We will provide more information as possible if this individual is hostile. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. A huge tornado was formed in downtown Boston, destroying houses and buildings in its path. The death toll is at around 200 at the moment. It has been confirmed by local authorities that the witch is responsible for spawning a tornado by casting spells. Do not go near the witch, as it is proven that this individual is extremely dangerous and has the ability to kill her victims in many different ways. All residents in the city of Boston is strongly advised to evacuate the entire city immediately or seek shelter in a basement with no windows. If you're outside, get inside of a building immediately before you face certain death. The Massachusetts State Police and the National Guard are being deployed to deal with this situation. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Repeating, evacuate or seek shelter now.
Hellcat.